Yo, what's up, Blockster fam? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Trending Crypto. I am your host, Ryan Mehta. Coin of the day. Let's change it up. Bitcoin. Taproot smart contracts just got announced. How exciting is that? We will officially have smart contracts on the Bitcoin network. Thank you to ICP, Internet Computer. So let's dive in. Let's chart out Bitcoin and make some price predictions. Guess what? I'm not a financial advisor. I may have a plethora of crypto knowledge, but this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. You always need to do your own research. I do not advise that you buy, sell, hodl, trade, or invest in any cryptocurrency. And if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, turn on those post notifications, and smash that subscribe button, I would be greatly appreciative. And down in the description, you can always find chapter timelines in case you want to skip ahead, affiliate links, and links to my digital course. Now that we got the YouTube police off our back, let's dive in, let's get it. Taking a look at Bitcoin, let's jump out in like the 1 day and take a look at like the bigger picture of where we think we're gonna see Bitcoin go. Right now, we can see that for the first time ever, and I've been in crypto for quite some time, I've seen many bull runs and many bear markets. This is the first time that I'm actually confident that I don't think Bitcoin is gonna do its normal 75, 80, 90% off. I am very confident that this dip down here, when Bitcoin hit 29K, was bottom. And for Bitcoin to only retrace in the most bearish of markets by 55%, this is what we've been waiting for, guys. I'm telling you. It's exciting now. We are dealing with a lot of manipulation from these outside banks and external sources. So there's probably going to be some more whale sell-offs and some bigger dips. And the volatility is going to remain in the market, you know, until Bitcoin's market cap probably gets upwards of $2 to $3 trillion. At that point, it's going to be a lot harder for these players to manipulate price like they are doing it now. One sell-off at a time, these greedy people will be taking profits. The amount of BTC that they actually have in their portfolio will depreciate, depreciate, and depreciate. And eventually, you know, there's only going to be a few really massive big players left in the game. And that's just my personal opinion. So according to Elliott Wave and market structure, we completed our first leg 1. We're retraced now. We should be building and working on that leg 2. Now there is going to be a very high probability that in the month of October, we will see one more correction. Now is Bitcoin going to run up, you know, and put in an all-time high before then? I'm not really sure, but I'm looking at going into November, December timeframe. I think we'll see Bitcoin hit a target of 67,000. Now, if an ETF or anything else like that gets approved, I mean, this is just going to be child's play. Giving me a peak formation, I think sometime by December 15th, roughly around 90,500. So what that leads me to believe is that the stock markets are really bearish normally in October, and Bitcoin being so correlated to the USA stock market right now, I don't think it's unrealistic to think we might have one more pullback in October. But every day it's announcements like the Taproot announcement, smart contracts, the collaboration with ICP. It's announcements like that or one ETF that could really send Bitcoin up and running to the point where Bitcoin might run right now straight to 70,000. Then it might retrace down to 55, 60,000 and then blast off again. But I think day after day, we see more institutional investors starting to adopt Bitcoin. Day after day, we see more retail traders starting to adopt Bitcoin. And right now, cryptocurrency is growing at a rate that we've never seen before in any revolution ever. The previous revolution, or I guess we'd call it the internet or the revolution of the internet, the adoption for the internet was roughly 65%. So worldwide, people were adopting the internet at about a rate of about 65%. Right now, people are adopting crypto at a rate of 125%. We've never seen anything like that in the history of the world. It's revolutionary, it's game changing, and I think that this is big news for crypto. So I definitely think Bitcoin's here to stay. I don't think we're gonna see those times where Bitcoin goes back and goes 70, 80, 90% off. I think that time has passed. I think a lot of people that are, you know, being super bearish in the market are really gonna miss out on one of the best opportunities of your lifetime, because some of these coins like Solana are, you know, went from 25 all the way up to almost 200, 225. Even if we go into the most bearish of bearish markets, Solana is not going to come back down to those price levels. So this is just one of those times where you got to, you know, pick your battles. But I think that this is a time to start accumulating and trying to pack your bags on as much Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as possible. And this is why it's even more important right now for you to actually invest in good big name cryptos, not these scam coins. Any coin that has over 100 billion coins in circulation, forget about it. You might miss out on the one time you find a Shiba, but there is going to be literally 1,000 altcoins for every one Shiba. So statistically, for you to actually hit that is so rare unless you got a large portfolio where you can throw a couple $100 at random projects, like thousands of them. And then you also have to pay attention to be ready to take profits, because look at Shiba. That was like a month-long run-up, and 90% of people that invested in Shiba lost money. So it's really hard to get in, get out, and take your profits on coins like those But it's coins like Bitcoin where I'm really confident are going to be upwards in the hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. I think we could see Bitcoin potentially up at 500,000. And I've never once said crazy insane high prices like that before. I'm normally very conservative on my Bitcoin predictions. Like right now, you just see me say 90,000. But 5 years from now, I definitely think Bitcoin's gonna be 500,000. So special shout out to the Blockster fam. Thank you guys so much for giving me this opportunity. I love you guys. Shout out to everybody that hits that like button, hits that subscribe button, and I can't thank you guys enough. I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated on the latest and greatest trending crypto news over here on Blockster. So every day I'm gonna try to put out at least a video Monday through Friday, and quite possibly on the weekends too. So stay tuned and drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think about the new Bitcoin smart contract upgrade that's gonna take place in November. And let me know what coin you guys want me to do next. Can't wait to see you guys. Peace.